Hello dear friends, in this video I am going to show you how to quickly resolve the Microsoft Office activation error. So many times you can see this message in your Microsoft. So it's a very simple step. So firstly, you copy this command. I will give you as a file. So please copy this command and then then right click. So first you need to copy this command. Copy this command and paste this. right clicked right right clicked and go to new and create a text document and paste it here. Okay, so I paste it here. So here you save this as save as, right? Save as. Okay, you save as this file. I type Microsoft 2019, but in this way is work all of your versions, right? Not only 2019, 2016, 2015, all versions it's work, right? Dot, very important, CMD format, CMD file format, then click save. So you can see here a file, CMD format file, then right click here and right click here, right? Right click here. Okay, so run as administrator. If you give run as administrator, okay, yes. Now its problem is clear, right? If you sometime you get a command box, so click enter until last, so you can get your Windows, your Microsoft Office activated, right? This is a simple way. And thank you, and subscribe my channel for more informations.